This is a 2020 Valtra T234 Direct. So it's 6-cylinder, 234 horsepower with a 57k Vario gearbox. It's equipped with front linkage, the manual top link, one front spool, an external spool and front linkage control. It's got an air suspended front axle with pivoting front mudguards. Front grille and bodywork's in really good condition. No large scratches or dents. Got a mixture of halogen and LED front work lights. Front tyres, Trelleborg 665 R28s. About 70% tread, with no large cuts or bulges on fixed rims. It's diesel and AdBlue, twin beacon. Rear tyres, a Trelleborg 650/75 R38. There's about 80% tread on fixed rims. Again, no large cuts or bulges. Got LED rear work lights, and then both on the left and the right hand side fender you've got external spool, linkage and PTO control. Got Cat 3 rear linkage with a hydraulic top link, 4 rear spools and a low flow. You've got air cab suspension, air and hydraulic trailer brakes, power beyond, ABS. There's a small amount of wear on the trailer hook. Rear right tyre also in good condition. Cab glass all round's immaculate. Split mirrors. Storage compartment. And the battery. Exhaust stacks in good condition. Right hand side bodywork also in good condition. So in the cab of this Valtra, the trim and the plastic's in really good condition. We just haven't had a chance to give it a clean yet, as it's only recently come into stock. Passenger seat's in good condition. It's immaculate under the seat cover. Same as the Grandma air suspended and heated seat. Got a fridge. Headliner's in good condition, just needs a clean. Climate control and a Bluetooth radio. Got a power bank. Your smart touch armrest, all electronic spools. And the screen which runs your Trimble base station RTK guidance. It has done 3,972 hours. It starts to run as well. So this Valtra is currently at stock at our site in Littleport, and it's still in full manufacturer's warranty. And if you'd like any more information or you'd like to come and look at it, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Standen.